So Mukund, welcome to All of Fame discussion. So let us have a quick discussion. So about your experience in this curriculum and also your success story. Basically, we need to discuss about your success story, how you learned and how you experienced during the 21 days during initial stage of Read for Success. That's what we wanted to understand. The first of all, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure. Hi, Dr. Manjunath Mukund Khasnis here. And thank you, first of all, thank you for providing me opportunity to express myself. My introduction, small brief introduction is that I'm a BPharm graduate and have done a postgraduate diploma in clinical research, wherein I have a total industry experience of around 18 years, 4.9 years in marketing, and rest of is clinical research, where in data management domain, I work as a project data manager. So I'm born in Belgaum, brought up in Pune. My all schooling, college, all is done in Pune, and I currently stay in Pune along with my family. My wife and my 2.2-year daughter is there. So this is my
Wonderful. Wonderful journey, Mukund. So
yeah.
thank you so much for sharing your personal introduction. So coming to our course, whatever you have started doing, coming to our course, why did you join this course? So what was your initial thought level when you saw our some kind of a program guidelines? What was
Yeah.
your initial thought? Why did you join? What was your initial um, thought level? Which area you need to improve? Why did you join this course?
Yeah, 3 to 4 years back, I developed two hobbies, mainly getting involved in physical activities. So I joined gym and worked on my body to reduce my weight, especially. And second thing was to develop reading habit. So I was initially 2 to 5 books in a year for the last 3 years. So I was really struggling behind what it is impacting, that why I'm not able to cross those 5 books limit. And there I come across the Facebook advertisement under you, and I saw a few videos which brought me, inspired me, that I should go and take this course, since I should know the concepts of speed reading and memory dynamics. So to add this to my goal, then I approached via applying to the Google Forms, and then enrolled into this Read for Success program.
Okay, tell me first of all, Read for Success. Initially, we did for a 6 days morning session.
Yeah.
So, what was your experience? What you gained just during that 6 days program?
Okay. So I found it is a very short and crisp step-by-step framework, wherein it was introduced how to identify right books, then how to eliminate your bad habits, so that and if you identify those, you take affirmation tools. With the help of those, you can eliminate those. Then you go ahead with the memory dynamics techniques, what are things that are available there. Then speed reading, and then there are various brain fitness exercise, which was much more explained in a deeper level in the next course. But in this basic, we come to know the core value of what is the brain concept, because right from our school education, if you see, the last time that I have known how to read books was in the sixth standard, which I could not recollect also. So only the education right now imparts what to learn, be it college, be it in professional life. But how to learn, there are hardly any few members or few mentors which explain to you. So this course enabled with the help of mentorship under Dr. Manjunath, his capable leadership, and I like his narrating style, the poise and the confidence that he displays, and really inspires the success rate, not within himself but also within the candidates who are getting enrolled in this program. So I would highly recommend individuals who are inspiring, taking for reading books. You should take up this course and at least learn main concepts like speed reading, memory dynamics, mind mapping tools, then how to relax, alpha relaxations,
Okay,
and few brain fitness exercise.
wonderful. And during this 6 days program, so you got some tangible results because even it's a mini
Yes.
program. We clearly
Yeah,
mentioned it's
yeah,
a framework. So
yeah, yeah.
mini course. You got any tangible result from that
Correct.
mini course?
Yes. Mainly, first thing I got is to know what is my base rate, what is my reading speed, which was I was not able to recognize till that point of time. So when I enrolled into Read for Success course, my reading speed was around 160 to 180 words per minute. So and the average reading speed of an Indian individual is around 150 to 250 words per minute. So I was in that range, but to get into the speed reading concepts, this course helped me, enabled me. What are the blocks that are there? how to visualize, how to use affirmation tools, and what are the bad habits that I have. I wrote it down. So the main awareness were there. So when there are three steps there. Once you become aware of your weakness and strength, your better awareness provides the better outcomes. So, and once you aware of better outcomes, how to strategize it, how you plan it, and then to deliver the stunning or the better results.
Wonderful, wonderful. So in during the 6 days, you realize, yes, these are the
Yeah.
my what you call the limitation. So
And
these are the
second thing,
things.
yeah.
Okay.
And second thing I learned was to getting early up at 5:30 a.m., which was the main crux, the habit which I continued and developed this habit of getting 5:30, which I am now increased to 5 a.m. And in next month onwards, I will be increasing to 4 a.m. onwards. So 4 a.m.
Wow. Wow. This is the commitment. Simply,
Yeah.
this is the commitment action because anyhow, so the content, the course is available in YouTube, but only thing is you are taking action. That is very important. So based on our curriculum, you are able to take action. That is a great, that is the reason you are able to see the success. Thank you so much, Mukund, because all your action. So then you decided to join our next level program because we usually call 21 days brain
Yeah.
accelerator and a club membership. So can you just explain what is your experience during this big program like 21 days? You sit and go a little deeper,
Yeah.
understand the concept and
Sure.
practice. What was your experience during this process?
Yeah, mainly the Brain Accelerator program is a step-by-step framework wherein there were daily mini programs, mini schedules, mini homeworks that were there. Two things that you need to inculcate or imbibe in yourself is you need to be committed and you need to be disciplined so that you foresee any results that you desire or you want to manifest your goals which you plan currently. And further steps is you to draw a line of action so that what are the steps you take per day, per week, per month so that you achieve that goal within, suppose I had a task of having reading speed to cross 400 words per minute right from 180 words per minute. So within what time? So within 21 days I need to achieve. So to achieve that per day, what I have to take, what exercise I need to take, what courses I need to enable, what other bad habits are there, what are the affirmations that I need to use. So first step is use vision board. Second is visualizing, then take the use creative visualization. If there are any bad habits, use affirmation tools. And then go to the speed reading. That was very well explained how the speed reading concepts were there. Before speed reading, there were memory dynamics scheduled for 10 days, which were helping us to memorize a lot of humongous data. So I could now recollect 100 names or 100 words at a single reading. So this is my current achievement after going through this last 1 month. So mainly the whatever your new habit is there, if you want to develop a new habit, there are three stages. One is you have to deconstruct. What you mean by deconstruct is if you want to learn any new things, you need to unlearn what you have learned first. So this is the main things. You have to get rid of your old habits, old rituals, old self-limiting beliefs that you have. Then only you can implement the new things. So during Read for Success, the value inculcated in me. So this get rid of my old habits, my old limiting beliefs that I cannot cross beyond 180 words per minute, which I was even not even aware of.
Okay, so
And
now what is your current speed after you gone through all this process? Two things, your current speed and also in terms of memorization, how you improved that after going through this process?
yeah. My current speed is around more than 430 words per minute, which I am targeting ahead in next 1 month to cross 600 words per minute.
Wow, go through that. So my question here is, for example, when you started with 120, whatever the initial speed, and you reach around 450, what is your experience? What is your confidence level right now when you start reading? And also even people, outside people, they keep talking about, okay, speed reading may not work. And also comprehension. So people think
Yeah.
about a speed reading means it's only speed. No, we will understand the content also in that speed. So tell me your experience.
My experience is initially I found it difficult for the first few pages. My comprehension level went down till 50 to 60%. But as I practiced over weeks, 2 weeks, the comprehension level right now is around 90% at the rate of 430 words per minute.
Wow.
So
Oh, well, that's what the beauty of speed reading. It's not only just speed. we will understand in that speed, and 80-90% it's like a full comprehension with that spur, because when you start at 120, now it's a 4 so 50 or plus, I think you are already reached 4x more than that speed.
Yeah.
And so that is the magic of speed reading. And coming to the memorization, how you develop this memory ability and practical scenario, where and all you are applying this memory concept in the real world.
Yeah, in the real world, I am applying wherein I work as a project data manager, so I need to go through very timelines out there. So if there are any numeric data which I need to recollect, I prefer to use the PEG images right now, which are there very well explained 1 to 100. So and if any data is there, I use the journey or the memory palace method. So in the few of my friends I have explained them how to use this method. They were really joyful and expressed joy and very amazed with this concept, and they were get rid of their limiting beliefs. So it was a
Wonderful,
nice
wonderful.
concept.
So what is your experience in terms of memory dynamics? Always outside feel that, okay, we cannot remember massive data, we cannot remember even small content, we tend
Yeah,
to
okay.
forget. What do you
Yeah, yeah.
now, what is your opinion, your suggestion? Is it a easy technique or it is a complicated?
See, mainly thing is if you do not have any good or bad memory, it's only thing of you're being trained or not trained. So you need to train your mind with the right concepts at the right time.
Oh, exactly. That is a beautiful answer. Super. And coming to so other area, because you already improved speed reading, memorization, you're applying in the real scenario. It's a great. Now coming to other activity we are doing, like a book reading and
Yeah.
also a lot of other club activities. So what is your suggestion? What is your experience in the club activity?
Yeah, before moving that, I have also started sharing my personal goal. I have kept it as reading 52 books in a year. So I kept this as a mission. I have shared this on the Facebook platform where I could inspire other people. So my target is to at least inspire 5 people per week, which is kept.
Wow,
Okay.
that is great,
So
great. Yes.
okay. So, and regarding this club activity, I am very much involved and like this concept because it allows you to interact with different minds, inspired minds that are there. So currently around more than 700 people are there in this accredited club, which is there, and around 200 people attend each session. So those 200 inspired minds are listening to a speaker who is presenting a book every. So there are two books being presented every week on every Wednesday, and there is also a separate session on every Monday, a technical session if any doubts are there. So if there are any 80% doubts are getting cleared only by listening to others, and 20% thoughts you need to take care that you have to express yourself and make it sure that your doubts are getting resolved at that point of time. Also, it provides opportunity to apply those things what you have reading by teaching others. You need to get concepts and memorize very easily.
So Mukund, wonderful. I think you're enjoying the step-by-step
Yeah.
procedure from memory, speed reading, club activity. Wonderful. So tell me one thing, what is your recommendation to the club member? So who just started this curriculum, and what you recommend then? How they need to follow, whether they need to take action or just learning? How do you define your success so that they will also follow the way you did, so that they can easily get into so whatever currently you achieved?
Yeah. See, as I explained earlier, that if you have to achieve any new goal like reading books, you need to take care of 5 points. You need to identify why you want to read these books, why you want to develop this. If this concept is clear to you, you will definitely drive towards approaching towards this course or any course which will help you in achieving goals of speed reading or memory dynamics or relaxation techniques or mind mapping tools. So these two courses will enable you to have uh, know the value of reading books. So reading one book is equal to one master's degree, and because the author is putting all his experience, that at least 2 to 3 decades experience in one single book, that which is you are getting only by reading 45 minutes per day. You are getting that experience in 1 week itself. So second thing is you need to identify any bad habits that are there. You need to eliminate those. Connect with mentors so that you can know where to stop, where to start, and learn by teaching. And things that you need to inculcate you in that block the calendar when you want to read. So preferably morning time is suggested, recommended. and you need to be disciplined and committed. These are the two main crux things that you need to follow, because to develop a habit it takes at least few says 21 days, but I believe it is 66 days. First is your deconstruction phase, second is your installation phase, third is your integration phase. So I have, during Read for Success phase, I was in deconstruction phase, removing my limiting beliefs, old rituals, what are there. Now in the 21-day course, I was in installation phase. I inculcated the new concepts in me. Then now I am implementing those concepts in my personal and professional life. So now it's integration time, and I foresee the results. While I presented one book, I could inspire and make my mentor happy, and he just provided a book to me, which is this, which I really felt good and inspired. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Mukund.
you very
Thank you
much.
so much.
And
This is the action. This is the action you are taking, because everything required some action. I think you are taking a positive action to improve whatever you are learning, and wish you all the best. And the last word from your end. So what do you want to convey after gone through all this curriculum?
yeah, one thing is this book have enriched me, upgraded me, and saved my life. So reading books is will only add to your knowledge, but to applying it to your real life is the ultimate power. So apply. If you do not apply, it's no point in going reading books week after week. So stay bold, stay focused, and stay blessed. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I think it's a wonderful discussion. You shared your experience, where you started, how you improved, and also how you're taking action. It's an inspiring story. Definitely watching this video, definitely they will also get inspired how people can they started reading faster, how people are memorizing, because people feel that, okay, these are like some kind of a extraordinary task, like a rocket science. According to us, all our club member realize this is not rocket science. This is like just like a primary school syllabus. However, we
Yeah.
never learned. Wonderful.
This is just a mind map that I've created for my journey through Read for Success and Brain Accelerator program. So there are main few things which are there, which I narrated: identify books, develop reading habits, memory dynamics, speed reading, brain fitness, and the overall system. So in identify books, what I did was tune your mind, right state of mind. Then I identified mentor, which is Dr. Manjunath, where to start, where to continue, and where to stop. Then I put the proper execution plan, week wise, day wise, in order to achieve what is my desired goal of reading 52 books in a year, one book per week. And I need to keep track each week so that I'm on the track, and I need to revise it as per the situations. And then I develop reading habits. Whatever the bad habits there were there, I had my own affirmation tools. Then I use the memory dynamics concepts, the principles, how to remember anything, so 100 data of numeric or words very quickly. And speed reading concepts were there, which was a preview concept, how to preview book very quickly in short and crisp manner, 2 to 3 minutes, which will give inspire you if you want to go that book and complete finish that book. And there were a few brain fitness exercise, morning jump start exercise, which were explained there, which were really inspired me to enhance my memory concepts and speed reading concepts. And there was a last 6 day where there was a overall system, how you need to integrate all those 5 days which was there. So these are the main concepts, value that I inculcated in this Read for Success session. The connections that I helped with myself was, I am now getting up early as 4:30 a.m. now, which I will reduce to much early 4 a.m. from March onwards. So currently I'm sticking to this 4:30 a.m., which will helping me this next 1.5 hours as an holy hour, which will maximize my productivity to, so that if I work for 5 hours, I will get the things work done which I used to do for 10 hours. So I will get those 5 hours extra. So this is the main things that I utilize this. Have affirmation tools, if any, because every individual has his own weaknesses, own bad habits. So you need to recognize first, get aware, and have affirmation tools to get rid of that. Then I have created vision, which is currently I have done this just a paper format for my goals vision board, which I will later on adding pictures. I will A4 size, I'll implement that very effectively. And to remember day-to-day activities, whatever the daily activity that I've done, I do it now regularly, which help me to track where I need to progress. Then with the world, as I suggested, I share my challenges, goals, and success journey on the social platforms, reading books on the clubs. And then I share the 3 key takeaway messages shared on each book review after each week. and I foresee that I implement those points in my personal and professional life. And what I get inspiration was my identified my mentor for reading for book club is Dr. Manjunath. So I am blessed to have him in my life journey. Then I motivational speakers I have seen through YouTube's and all, so they also inspired me. Then success stories I have watched and read, which helped me inspired to reach this goal, read for goals. Then you can go through every CEOs of the companies, top health and wealth principle. Then there are real life examples in your life, also in your relatives, friends, how they have made progress. So I have taken help of those. And also one thing I helped me is reading books with the author. I learned different author styles and their personal life journey, which inspired me to how they take up this, how they put their own life journey into it, and what impact would have made if I've gone through that same phase. And this club activity also has inspired me how different individuals pursue readings and how they implement the activities. Even if you read books, the same book, four books after the next month, the different concepts will be explored to you. So as your memory is getting upgraded as you read books. So this is the main things that I've learned from this.
Excellent. Continue
Yeah.
this, and definitely you will get into next level. So that's what
Yes.
I'll wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.